Hi everyone, it's Cecilia here from Lordhair, and I'm here to introduce one of our newest products, LS1. LS1 is a breathable and easy to attach and clean hair system, and here's why. The base is composed by two materials, so here in the top we have French lace. French lace is an extremely soft and breathable material. Thanks to these little holes, as you can see, your scalp can actually breathe. So it's suggested especially for those who live in a very warm country or do a lot of sport and so sweat a lot. This actually, helps your skin to breathe. Like here in the perimeter, you have a whole perimeter made by a very thin skin layer, which makes the entire hair system easy to attach to your skin and very easy to clean as well. Here, the French lace is actually flesh color. So here, as you can see, on your head, it would be so undetectable. Some more info about this product. So it comes in a medium hair density. We mostly suggest to men medium light hair density because it's the most common. But if you're looking for more hair than the average, then you should definitely go for this hair system. It's available in different base sizes, which means we have it in 6x8, 6x9, 7x9, 7x10 and 8x10 inches. For now it's all from Lordhair. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked this product, and if you liked it very much, you should go and look it up on our website www.lordhair.com. If you need any further information, you can contact our customer support service by emailing support@lordhair.com, and we remind you that this hair system is available with immediate shipment, and we guarantee a 30-day money back. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Lordhair, for a better you.